Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys could please smash that like button, I really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below, even better. It's Monday morning, it's bright and early. We're back in the shop. The snow is starting to melt, guys. I just pulled in this truck this morning. It's got a little bit of snow. It's probably gonna make a big mess on the floor, but it's not my problem. So we have a 2014 Hyundai Elantra GT in the shop today. This car is in for a bumper replacement. That is the bumper I showed you guys in the last couple vlogs that we've had waiting for the snow to go away. So the snow is gone away. So we have a brand new bumper cover refinished in white right there. We also have two brand new wheel liners right here. Nothing crazy. The bumper is damaged in multiple areas. It's busted there. Damage down there with broken wheel liners. Somebody in the past did do a repair over here, but it looks like they spray painted it or something, and I'm not sure. But yeah, not a very good repair. You can see it's just kind of spray painted over. It looks very gray. It's flat. There's no gloss to it, so whatever type of paint they used, I'm assuming spray paint, did not really hold up very well or look very good on this repair. So also, while it's in, we're going to be removing the front seats and doing a severe interior detail. So we're going to be blowing, scrubbing, you name it, shampooing. We also have this 2010 Chevy Silverado back in the shop. We've had this vehicle in a couple other times for a couple other mechanical repairs, and it is back in the shop today. We ordered about 2 weeks ago, we ordered a remanufactured replacement automatic transmission for it. So we will be getting this truck up on the lift, getting the original transmission dropped out. As soon as it's dropped out, we'll be getting our other transmission delivered, so we don't have to pay a core. It's a $1,000 core, and we'll get the transmission switched out, get the new transmission installed, new fluid, and hopefully by tomorrow morning or so, we'll be sending this one on the way. So you guys will see an update on that as well. We were going to be doing a front end repair on this vehicle, and we probably still will, but since this transmission took a shit, I guess we switched gears and we went ahead and we are going to be doing the transmission. So there you have it. We also have a 2000 Honda CR-V coming in as soon as the Silverado's out of here, probably tomorrow. We have a MagnaFlow catalytic converter for it, brand new, in the box. And we also have some merch, guys. If you guys want some merch, get at me. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube comments work. Get at me through our email at nitroautolab@gmail.com, through our website at nitroautolab.com. We have trucker hats, dad hats. We have beanies, as you can see here. We have shop tees. We have shop hoodies. Lots of stuff, you name it, guys. I can get it out to you guys. I can drop ship it, no reason to come in. It can get delivered right to your door. Very, very pumped to have a couple jobs back in the shop this week. Nothing crazy inside the spray booth. We just have our Integra sitting here staying clean, hoping to get this picked up this week so we can clear some space in here and get the bumpers down. We have some Del Sol parts I don't want to show you guys yet. We'll save that for the Del Sol vlog. We have a fender for our 2016 Ford Fiesta repair. We're awaiting core support, airbags, seat belts, hood, bumper, you name it. We're awaiting a whole bunch of stuff for it. So I'm hoping by the end of the week that we have those parts so we can go ahead and start in on the collision repair next week. We even have a wheel liner hanging here too for it as well. Nothing too crazy, guys. It's warmed up a little bit, still a little chilly outside. You can see I'm bundled up. Nothing too crazy. It's Monday. Got lots to do before the week is done. But anyways, appreciate all you guys watching. It really helps out when you like these videos, so please hit the like button. If you can leave a comment down below, I don't care what it is, just leave something. I appreciate it. Lets me know who's watching too, because I can't really click through my subscribers and see who actually subscribes. So when you guys leave comments about what you like, what you don't like, what you think, it really helps me guide in a direction that helps you guys, and that's initially what we're trying to do here, because these videos don't do anything for me, they do something for you. So if I can show you guys something about how a shop works, about how repairs work, a little before and afters of some jobs getting repaired as well, it helps me. Also being able to show you guys some how-tos and DIYs along the way also helps you guys as well. So please leave some feedback down below on these videos. It really helps me figure out what direction we need to be going in. The last few months has just been kind of practice too, as far as me speaking in front of the camera, as well as editing and all that good stuff. So the videos will get better along the way. So I really appreciate all you guys that have been subscribing and watching these videos. We'll be getting some more content together this spring and summer. We'll be doing a lot more fun stuff. We won't be bundled up, cooped up inside with the doors shut. We'll be able to get outside. There'll be more daylight earlier and later. There'll be a lot more events to go to. So a lot more after hours stuff as well. So anyways, like this video, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.